Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of generating function. This question was asked in GATE CS 2022, question number 26. Which one of the following is the closest form for the generative function of the sequence n value greater than equals to 0 defined below? N equals to n plus 1 if n is odd, else it is 1. And 4 options are given. I already discussed generating function during lecture, just go through that before solving this question. Generative function gx for the sequence an is gx equals to summation of n equals to 0 to infinite an x power n. So the generative sequence will be a0 x power 0, a1 x power 1, a2 x power 2, a3 x power 3 like this till infinite. And here it's given n equals to n plus 1 if n is odd and it's 1 if it is even. So a0 equals to 1, a1 will be 2, a2 will be 1 as it is even, a3 will be 3 plus 1 4, a4 will be 1, a5 will be 5 plus 1 6. When it is odd, n plus 1, when it is even, it is 1. a6 will be 1. So after substitution we'll get 1 plus 2x plus x square plus 4x cube plus x power 4 plus 6x power 5 plus x power 6 plus 8x power 7 plus x power 8 plus 10x power 9 plus x power 10 like this infinite. So this sequence we can make into two separate sequence, one for 1 x square x power 4 x power 6 x power 8 x power 10, another for 2x 4x power q 6x power 5 8x power 7 10x power 9. We know the formula for 1 plus x square plus x power 4 plus x power 6 plus x power 8 plus x power 10. It's a geometric progression, right? Every time we are multiplying with x square. So the summation will be a divide 1 minus r. What is a here? 1 minus x square. So this sequence value is 1 divide 1 minus x square. And the second sequence is not a generating sequence. For this there is no formula. So first we need to convert it into a sequence, then we can find its. So for first part it is 1 divide 1 minus x square. Second part we'll consider as p. Suppose from this we'll take 2x as common. It will be 1 plus 2x square plus 3x power 4 plus 4x power 1x is gone 6 like this. And for this sequence also there are no formula in generating sequence. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll consider this as a p, then find px square. So in every term multiply x square, it will be 2x cube 4x power 5, 6x power 7, 8x power 9, 10x power 11 like this till infinite. Next we will subtract px square from p. There are no x term, so 2x first, then 4x power 3 minus 2x power 3. It's 2x power 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. Then 6x power 5 minus 4x power 5. It's 2x power 5. 8x power 7 minus 6x power 7. It's 2x power 7. 10x power 9 minus 8x power 9. It's 2x power 9. Plus 2x power 11 is 2x power 13. Like this it will continue till infinite. Now from the right side term we can take 2x as common. After taking 2x as common, we'll get 1 plus x square plus x power 4 plus x power 6 plus x power 8 plus x power 10 till infinite. And this sequence is a geometric progression and we know its summation value. Its summation will be 1 divide 1 minus x square. Okay, it's a divide 1 minus r, and here what is r? R is x square. 1 divide 1 minus x square, and before 2x is given, 2x divide 1 minus x square. This is for p minus px square. What is value for p? P will be 2x divide 1 minus x square whole square, as we are dividing this 1 minus x square in right side. So what we got finally, 1 divide 1 minus x square plus 2x divide 1 minus x square whole square. Now check the options. In options there are no 1 minus x square. There is 1 minus x square whole square. This term is there, right? there is 1 minus x but no 1 minus x square. So what we will do, we need to convert that it will be similar to any option. Okay, so in this one we'll add plus x and minus x, as after adding and subtracting x value will not going to change. So 1 plus x minus x divide 1 minus x square plus this is same 2x divide 1 minus x square whole square. This 1 plus x minus x, that you can write as 1 plus x divide 1 minus x square minus x divide 1 minus x square. So this is one part, this is another part, plus 2x divide 1 minus x square whole square. We know that a square minus b square is a plus b multiplied a minus b. So that you can write as 1 plus x multiplication 1 minus x. So 1 plus x divide 1 minus x multiplication 1 plus x minus x divide 1 minus x square plus 2x divide 1 minus x square whole square. Now this 1 plus x will be cancelled. So it will be 1 divide 1 minus x minus x divide 1 minus x square plus 2x divide 1 minus x square whole square. Next we need to solve these two, right? So 1 divide 1 minus x plus 2x divide 1 minus x square whole square minus x divide 1 minus x square. Next we'll solve these two. Okay, so here 1 minus x square whole square, here is 1 minus x square. So what we'll do, with x will multiply 1 minus x square and denominator will be 1 minus x square whole square, right? 2x minus x multiplication 1 minus x square. Now simplify this, minus x multiplied 1, it is minus x multiplication minus x square, it is plus x power q, right? So 1 divide 1 minus x plus 2x minus x plus x power q divide 1 minus x square whole square. Now 2x minus x, it is x. So x plus x power q divide 1 minus x square whole square. Now check the options. Is it similar to any of option? 1 divide 1 minus x, it's present in all. Now x plus x cube divide 1 minus x square whole square, that we can write as x take common. So 1 plus x square divide 1 minus x square whole square. So this is present in option A, right? So answer will be option A. X multiplied 1 plus x square divide 1 minus x square whole square plus 1 divide 1 minus x. Actually after simplification we got this, as this is not present in option. So again we simplify it, that it can be similar to any of our option, and answer is option A. I already discussed generating functions during lecture. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.